What unusual thing did Calliope see at Home Depot today?
Unusual thing.
That she saw?
She saw.
She saw.
That she saw
Inside the Home Depot.
inside the Home Depot. It's something that you probably only see once in a lifetime, maybe a couple times in a lifetime.
A raccoon was inside Home Depot.
Okay?
A radio.
Mel Gibson was in Home Depot today.
Here's the answer. The thing that was unusual at Home Depot today was when I took her into the bathroom, the stall next to us, she asked me, why is there poop on the ground? I said, there's no poop. And I looked, and there is a pound of poop just sitting on the ground in the stall.
On the ground?
On the ground. Someone just dropped the trowel and on the floor and left it there.
Oh no, is that
There's
it?
the
Is that the poop? There's the poop.
Oh my god.
Super gross.
People at Home Depot, let's do better.
Let's
Let's
be better, man. Let's be better.
Let's be better. Let's be better than leaving poop on the floor at the Home Depot.
Oh my god. That is.
Hey Dave,
Yes.
you are on another vlog right now, and
Yes.
yep. So say hi to everyone.
Did that story make it on the
It
vlog?
did.
Yes, it sure did. And this is gonna be our boat vlog, so it's gonna be weird for people to click on a boat video about Fort Lauderdale, and they're gonna hear your story. Calliope is also in this video, so it's like featured. So you guys made it, and your story made it on here.
Calliope, give a shout out. Say hi.
Yeah, Calliope, say hi.
You say hi in the video. You're in the YouTube video. Say hi. No.
You guys made it to a YouTube video. Everybody, it's Justin and Alyssa, and they're in this YouTube video with us. I said that terribly, but I don't even care, whatever. No one watches anyways. We forgot to mention that it's Alyssa's birthday today. And this is what she's doing. That's the tunnel underneath the river walk. This is Highway 1.
It is so bad.
It's smelly, but look, it's so pretty up there. Pretty skies. The A1A was like $150 to $200 for a parking spot, which is like mind-blowing. We are following a dump truck around. Just sticky truck right here. That guy right there. Okay, so we're gonna turn right here in Broward and hopefully find a place to park.
It is leaking out of the back, you guys.
Oh god. Oh, I can't zoom with this. The only bad thing about a GoPro. Justin, we're officially almost here.
Justin's in Florida.
Yes. Kind of strange.
Update on the parking situation.
Oh, yeah.
Prices have dropped from $200 to $80.
Yeah. Weird, right?
He just said he'd buy me a Jeep, so you heard that here, right?
No.
He did. He said it.
You think they own the boat or what?
We can make it work.
Like, what if you did
Halvesies?
Halvesies, Justin.
If they sign the other financing half of it, I will do it today, right now.
Get a pen.
Get a pen.
Okay, so let's say this. We're gonna put it on you grab a pin. I still am not working right now until the next couple days.
Wait, no, but seriously, I write off my car because I use it for work. Can't
Yeah,
you write off a
just
boat
write
if
off a
you're
boat.
using it for work?
So write this boat off right there.
Yeah, just shoot videos
If I do
on
tons of photo
Right.
shoots on
Yeah.
it?
We went from like boats over there that we could possibly maybe afford over to like multi-million-dollar crazy yachts. Like this thing is 63 feet. That one right there, I think it said like 47 or
That
48
one's
feet.
56 and it's beautiful.
Oh my God.
I didn't wear my Sunday dress, so no one will take me seriously.
Yes. Kate and I, Alyssa and Justin, we're gonna go halvesies on one of these boats. All right, so right now in the comment section below, should we get the 62 footer or this, whatever, 50, whatever this is? Vote now. So this is what happens when we go to a boat show in Fort Lauderdale. Hello, hello.
Hi! What? A cartwheel?
Yep. Come on, man. All right, here you go.
How do I even do a cartwheel?
Oh, am I doing a cartwheel? Wait, I have to
Yep.
show the guys how to do a cartwheel. This now solidifies that I knew exactly what I was doing.
These legs better be straight.
Yep.
They
Not bad.
bend over
Not bad,
them.
right? Oh, 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 he's going. I mean,
3 seconds in between everyone.
You're going downhill.
Yeah.
Were my feet not pointed?
The
I
first
mean-
two were all good,
Yeah.
and then after that you swim.
Oh, you know what? Do one
Psych.
cartwheel.
Have you not seen this?
Doing it? One try.
Cartwheel, go!
Oh, I don't know. I'm not doing a cartwheel.
Just try.
I want him to try. It's my birthday.
That's
It's
good.
her birthday, man.
You gotta do what she wants. It's her birthday.
Yeah. Let me know how that one works out for you.
Terrible.
I agree with this kid. She wants me to die.
Oh, my
Apparently,
God.
she wants him to break his neck.
Oh, this is gonna be such a good video.